In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to access the Healthcare Strategy course on Harvard's website, step by step, so you can enroll without confusion and know exactly what to expect before you pay. This course is taught by Harvard Business School faculty and is designed to help learners align business strategy with the unique challenges and structures of the United States healthcare industry. If you're a professional, student, or entrepreneur looking to deepen your understanding of healthcare strategy, this is a powerful program to consider. Before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides like this. Browser and go to Google or any search engine you prefer. In the search bar, type in Healthcare Strategy Course Harvard and press Enter. Look for the official Harvard or Harvard Business School result in the search results. This is important because you want to make sure you're accessing the course directly from Harvard's official website and not from a third-party listing. Once you find the official Healthcare Strategy course page, click on it to open the course details. On the course page, you'll see an overview explaining what the course is about. Take a moment to read through this section. The page usually explains how Harvard Business School faculty teach learners to align business strategy with the challenges and structures of the healthcare industry in the United States. You'll also see information about who the course is for, what you'll learn, and how the content is delivered. Scroll down the page to review the curriculum outline. This section breaks down the modules and topics covered in the course, giving you a clear idea of what you'll be studying. You may also see details about the course duration, workload expectations, and whether it's self-paced or has specific deadlines. This is a good time to check if the schedule fits your availability. Next, look for the Enroll button on the page. This is usually clearly visible near the top or after the course overview section. When you're ready to move forward, click on Enroll. You'll be prompted to either sign in or create an account, depending on how Harvard hosts the course. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in with your existing account or create a new one using your email address. After signing in, you'll be taken to the payment section. Here, you'll see the course fee clearly listed. Review the pricing details carefully, including any information about refunds, payment options, or access duration. When you're ready, enter your payment information and complete the checkout process. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive confirmation, and the course will be added to your account. From there, you can start accessing the course materials, lectures, and assignments according to the course structure. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and enrolled in the Healthcare Strategy course on Harvard's website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.